Okay, resetting.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Beware.
I think that was in 5.
Beware.
Left side straight.
Memory sack. Second sack.
Beware.
Dodramon.
So on this engineer, right?
Beware.
The engineer will get
They said one bomb.
Demra.
Okay, we're done.
Beware.
from these.
Lava.
Phase 2.
GS.
For the paint. For the paint.
Hemming.
Demra.
GS weekend now.
I think both of them got used there on that transition.
Beware.
Yeah, that's why you don't do that shit.
The world's best DJs.
My name is Sebastian Grosso.
Bellows are in the shield.
Photech Essential Mix.
The world's favorite.
I just focus too hard.
This is BBC Radio 1's Essential
Nikai.
Mix.
Diamond dropping in.
I'm back.
Nikai.
Get on star.
Can you take the guard off me then? Sorry, I got one. I don't want to come.
He died.
Okay.
Wait for the burn.
You should get to be able to get some hits on this primal here for after you break his leg.
Beware.
Alright, drop it.
Five, four, three,
Kill Foreman in the firepower.
one.
Move circle.
Beware.
Five, four,
Damn.
three, two, one.
Kill circle.
Beware.
Channeling.
Rally.
Be on the primal, clear fire cars.
Beware.
Five, four, three, two, one.
Beware.
Move star.
These fire calls though.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
2, 1.
I got volatile fire melee.
On the primal. Clear the fire cores.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
2, 1.
Fricker, start moving circle.
Beware.
Kill
Hit
circle.
me. So,
Kill, get star in.
Leave these all fire calls there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five,
On the primal.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Demira sack, please. Demira second sack.
Move circle, clean up fire colors.
We really need to get this one in like 1, otherwise we're gonna hit 100. So like DPS put fucking hand on this,
Ironbark?
healers help with it.
Yep. On primal.
Okay, like everyone fucking burn this after you get it in 1. Good shit.
Okay. Clean up
Range move back. Clean this shit up. We're running melt into the fucking corner back here.
Use your stun.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nicely done, get on the boss.
We need to clear up these fire callers. We have full HP ones in the back. I have aggro on all of them.
Get on the fire colors, excuse me. I'm taunting.
Thanks, grab this fire color.
Range like still has aggro on this fucking fire caller in the back of the square.
5,
Yeah, like auto attack.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Keep using CDs as they come up. Damn.
9 seconds until heat drops back.
Use a health stone.
Taunting in 2. Taunting
That's as far back as you can get them.
Remember to not be on top of someone if you're fixated. You're still cleaving. Just move melts back as far as possible. Let's turn to set. Use personals, raid wides, shit as they come up. Let's rally here.
G is on bad.
If anyone hasn't used a second potion yet, should be using it.
Camera.
Taunting now.
Hit me.
Get further up now.
Blaster.
Let me know when
Hand over
you're ready.
Fox, let's move forward.
Use a free buff. Re-hero if we have one.
7
100
seconds.
goes.
Taunt. Demo sect.
Sensi.
Do you have my...
Nikai sect.
Devo the next one. Keep using
killing me,
everything
I'm
to stay
getting
alive
right.
here.
You have to move.
We have
Alright, move
Took Fox, big move.
Nikai.
Taunting 3, 2, 1. Keep your
Just stay
composure
fucking
and
alive.
focus.
Yeah. Don't lose your shit. Don't drop a bad melt. Keep dropping them behind us. Stay the fuck alive. No matter what you have to do, keep yourself alive.
Can I get paints up here? Critter?
Healers are like really fucking low on mana now, so like I said, just keep yourself alive, stay calm.
Taunting.
I'm gonna need big
3 minute
creatures
cooldown.
We have 2 reses left, by the way.
Yep, if a tank dies, I'm instantly losing it.
here. Just raid, keep your composure.
Move forward a little bit, we have melts on the back of us.
Doldrum,
Tony now?
I'm dead. Take it.
Rebuff, free hero if we have it.
I love you guys.
Good job, guys.
Yes.
Never again.
Fuck yes.
That was worth
Can we wipe that one?
Can we just reset?
Welcome, guys. Just say.
Get
wrecked,
Can we